Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and split a PDF file into multiple files in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded and installed, what you can do is go to the official adobe.com website right here and get started with downloading the program from the Adobe Acrobat section. Once you have downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So from here, this main page, you're going to go ahead and be able to see the recommended tools for you section, which is great for beginners to take a look at all the tools that are in their disposal. So here we can go ahead and get started combining files and merging our files, but let's go ahead and take a look at how to split a file into multiple parts. As you can see here, we have official Adobe article on how to go ahead and split a PDF file. So you can use the organize pages tool in Acrobat to divide the large PDF into multiple easier to manage files. So basically guys, we can get started following the steps right here on how to go ahead and get started with dividing them. So basically guys, you can go ahead and add additional PDFs and apply the same settings across all the options, and you can go ahead and try these tutorials with Acrobat Pro. So basically you're going to need a Pro subscription. You cannot do this with a free trial, but you're going to see the options right here to edit a PDF, and this is going to enable you to split your PDF. So basically, as you can see, we have the premium section right here. Going to need a premium subscription, but once you've gotten that, you're going to see all the tools in your disposal to go ahead and split your files, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.